Good morning, students. Today we continue English grammar, chapter number 6, nouns number. In previous class, we studied a few rules of changing from singular into plural. Again, a few rules we studied today. So, students, open your book, page number 27. 27 page, rule number 12. Some nouns are always plural. Some nouns which are made of two parts, generally which are made of two parts. So two parts is plural, so they are always used as plural forms. Example, I read from the book: trousers, pencils, briefs, jeans, binoculars, shorts, shears, goggles, scissors, tongs, pants, pliers. All these parts, clothes and tools and instruments are, all these are tools and instruments. Clothes, tools or instruments made of two parts, so they are plural. Clear? They are always plural. Now next page, 27, next page. 14, rule number 14, foreign plurals. Some plurals are made from Greek and Latin. Some words are from Greek and Latin language. Their plural are made something irregular. But the trick is simple. Trick is that if singular ends in on, in plural it become a. Example, medium, media, singular medium, plural media. Singular phenomenon, plural phenomena. And if the singular is end in is, plural becomes es. Example, crisis, crisis, plural cries, is becomes es in plural. Basis, basis, bases, axis, xes. If singular ends in us, it become I. Example, radius, radius, radii. This is the trick of making from singular to plural of foreign Greek and Latin words plural. Now last rule. Last rule is that digits, letters, short forms. Digits, letters and short forms are made plural by adding apostrophe s. In the book example is given 5 fives. P, 5 is digit. P is letter. P, page. BA, BH. Clear? Now we going to discuss exercise. Rewrite the poem changing the singular noun in plural in color print into the plural form. Do other changes wherever necessary. In color, all these singular nouns we have to make plural, and some more changes. We see that all are singular in color, we have to make plural by adding ses. Then so simple, hours, s, flower, flowers, s by adding s. Bee, bees, bws, tree, trees, ant, ants, plant, plants, dog, dogs, frog, frogs. All the color words will take only s, not es. And in question says that other changes. Other change is that we know that in singular article an used, but in plural not used. So from all this sentence you have to remove the article. First sentence an, remove an. Second a, third line a, fourth line a, fifth line a, sixth line a, seventh line a, eighth line a. In the first line an, and in all the other lines are a. So remove a and then make the color words plural. Complete. B number. Fill in the blanks with the correct plural forms of the nouns in brackets. First number. We have to make plural nouns. Flamingo. Flamingos. The rule is that when words end in when words end in O, before O is consonant. Consonant plus O. Flamingo. Flamingo. Consonant plus O. Consonant plus O takes ES. Consonant plus O takes ES. But this is exception. ES will not be added. Only S will be added. Exceptions I have told you: photo, kilo, piano, flamingo. These are exceptions. ES not added, only S. Flamingos. Second number, fireman, plural of men, firemen, firemen. Third number, leaf, F removes and VES added. Leaves. Fourth number, aircraft. The rule I have told you that some words are always some words are singular plural same. Example, deer, sheep, innings, series, aircraft. Singular plural same. So the same word aircraft. AIRCRAFT, aircraft. 5 number, trolley. Only S added. TROLLEYS. Tooth, plural of tooth is teeth. TEETH. 10,000. 7 number, 1,000. Rule is that number plus 100,000 million, billion not made plural. So not thousands, only 1,000. THOUSAND. 1,000. Persons. Person will be plural. 10,000 persons. 8 number. Plural of woman is women. WOMEN. And plural of lady is ladies. LADIES. Now C number, cross the unsuitable words in the brackets. Cross unsuitable. I packed 6. Cross pair. 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 Cross. Because 6 is plural. So plural will come pairs. So cross pair. Pair will be crossed. PAIR. Cross. Miss wrong. Pair is wrong. Pairs is right. This second number. These scissors plural. So this cross this. This cross. This is wrong. These right. Cross this. Could you pass me the potato? Some cross some. Some cross. 4 number. I need pliers. Not a pliers. Scissors are plural. So I need some. Cross a. 4 number, cross a. A dozen of nails. And cross dozens. 4 number, cross dozens of nails. and some markers and cross markers. 5 number. I soon got to know the folk. Cross folks. Folks means people. Cross folks. 6 number. I think you should have the sandals repaired. That pair of is right. Cross those pair of. After those plural comes pairs. So this is wrong. Cross those pair of. Cross. That pair of is right. 7 number. The remains of the picnic. Remains plural. So plural. Were. The remains of the picnic were. Cross was. 8 number. The criteria on which you base your judgment. Criteria plural. So are. Tick. Cross each. D number. Choose a word from the box, make it plural if necessary, and add of to fill in the blanks. You will have to use some words more than once. Some words you have to use more than once, and use the words from brackets. Make it plural if necessary. Also, you can make plural and add of in all the gaps. First number, we bought a new dash of tools. First number, pair of. First number, pair of. Of will be added in all sentence. Second number, she put another lump of sugar. Third number, the explosion broke two pens. P-A-N-E-S. Two is plural, so plural pens. 2 pens of glass. Fourth number, I lost my dash of keys. Bunch of keys. 5, I will give you a useful dash advice. Useful piece of advice. 6 number, how many dash shoes? How many shoes is pair. How many pairs? How many plural? So pairs, plural. How many? Not pair, pairs. How many pairs of shoes do you have? 7, grandma has a spare dash spectacles. 2 parts, so 2 means pair. Has a spare pair of spectacles. 8, I felt first few dash rain. Few plural, so plural. Drops of rain. 9, start your letter on a fresh dash of paper. Fresh sheet of paper. 10, we gave some dash of furniture. Some sets of furniture. Also pieces of furniture, both possible. Sets of or pieces of. E number, read the poem and underline all plural nouns. Then write the singular form of the nouns ending in ies. In number, we have first you have to underline all the plural nouns. So I speak the plural nouns, underline. Will those bunnies, underline bunnies. Eat all my berries, underline berries. Can ladies, underline ladies. And babies, underline babies. Eat large ripe red cherries. Underline cherries. How many canaries? Underline canaries. Fly in the blue skies. And when gypsies. Underline gypsies. Tell fortunes. Do they tell you all lies? Underline lies. Do puppies? Underline puppies. Like guppies? Underline guppies. Do fairies? Underline fairies. Like dairies? Underline dairies. Oh, please, won't you answer my queries? Underline queries. So all plurals we have underlined. Now what he says, then write the singular form of nouns ending in IES. All underlines ends in IES. We have to write singular form. All underlined words are bunnies, berries, ladies, babies, cherries, canaries, gypsies, lies, puppies, guppies, dairies, queries. All underlined words are plural and all ends in IES. The question says, make a singular of all the IES. So we know that words ending in Y and words ending in Y and a consonant before it, then plural is made. Remove Y and IES added. Example, words end in Y and consonant come before Y, then Y is removed and IES added. Y removed, IES added. So what will be singular? In all the words, singular will end in Y. Singular will end in Y. Bunny, BUNNY. Berry, BERRY. Lady, LADY. Baby, BABY. Cherry, CHERRY. Canary, CANARY. Gypsy, GYPSY. Lie, LIE. Lie, singular number LIE. Puppy, PUPPY. Guppy, GUPPY. Dairy, DAIRY. Query, QUERY. So students, that's all for today's. This chapter ends now. Thank you.